In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Scotiabank to TD Bank. To do that, first open the Scotiabank app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll see 5 different options at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the second option, which is Move Money. Then, simply tap on the Interac e-transfer option. Since there isn't a way to transfer money directly from one bank to another, you can use an Interac e-transfer to complete the transfer. Using this method, you can transfer money to any bank within Canada, including TD Bank. To send money to TD Bank, simply select a contact who already has an account at TD Bank. Once you select the contact, enter the amount you want to transfer. You can also write a message if you want, but it's optional. After that, slide to Send, and you'll have successfully transferred money from Scotiabank to TD Bank. The transfer depends on the recipient's account, so as long as they are in Canada and have Interac e-transfer set up, you can send money to any bank within Canada. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.